Divisions united by Jesus. Mark chapter 3, verses 24 through 25. If a kingdom is divided against itself, that kingdom cannot stand. If a house is divided against itself, that house will not be able to stand. Scribes were scholars entrusted to accurately preserve God's word for their generation and future generations. Jerusalem scribes were corrupt and not Messianic. Are these the kinds of scholars you want to entrust God's word to? I don't think so. Yet, that's exactly what was going on. They were so anti messianic that they boldly and publicly accused Jesus of demonic influences. Wow! Jesus boldly challenged his critics with the serious problems of divisions. A kingdom or a nation divided against itself will not stand. In 1 Kings chapter 12, the kingdom of Israel is divided. The nation whom Yahweh God, Jesus, entrusted failed miserably and deteriorated horribly over the decades. Despite many God centered prophets calling them back to faithfulness, they never recovered. What a tragedy! Today, many households are seriously divided. Life is hard enough as it is. Too many families are seriously divided and breaking apart. This breaks Jesus' heart. Heaven is not like that. So why do we as Christians allow this to happen to us? Because too often we search for what we want, not what Jesus wants for us. We need to start out our friendships Jesus centered, our courtships, our dating Jesus centered, our marriages Jesus centered. Today, I read a chapter of the gospel and pray with my spouse. Jesus is glorified in this relationship. Wayne Amelung, representing Jesus Christ. Have a Jesus Christ day.